Hello, dear friends in the whole world. We again have a congress with Franz-Ruppert and with healthy autonomy. And I'm glad to have here Franz to invite you to this congress.
Yeah, thank you, Max, for coming and helping us to spread the news about this next congress. It's the fourth international congress about my work, about the theory, the methods, and the technique of this work. The work that is in general now called Identity-Oriented Psychotrauma Theory and Therapy, and the method is the intention method. And this time we focus on symptoms of our body. And the question is, how much are those symptoms of our body the result of our trauma experiences, maybe even our trauma biography? That is a term I meanwhile find very appropriated for many of us, because from the very beginning of our life we start with a trauma biography, and all these symptoms of our body are consequence of our trauma biography. So we together can explore this issue, and we'll find out what we can do in order to not to erase the symptoms, not to make them vanish, but to explore the symptoms and find out what the symptoms show us about ourselves, what they show us about the connection we have with ourselves, with our body, with our I, with our will. And in this congress we have, on the one hand, the lectures that show the state of the art of the work, and we have 40 workshops where colleagues show on specific topics how to deal with the different symptoms of our body. And in every workshop we will have the opportunity to see the work, and if you are lucky, normally there are ballots made in these workshops, and if you're lucky you can have also the opportunity for your own work that is accompanied by a very experienced colleague of mine. Altogether we have 40 workshops, as I mentioned, and in the same we have panels, we have discussions in the plenum, and even in the evening and Saturday evening we have our famous congress party. And I hope you are now, you see there is a lot of things that happen on this congress, and maybe you are interested to come again, because this is already our 4th congress, and I very welcome you to come again to Munich.